Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TaxJar for filing. To activate TaxJar for filing alerts and Nexus insights, start by logging into your TaxJar account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Settings option in the main menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Settings to access various configuration options. Look for the Notifications section within the Settings menu. In the Notifications section, you will find options for filing alerts. Toggle the filing alerts switch to the on position. Next, scroll down to the Nexus Insights section. Here, you will see an option to activate Nexus Insights. Click the toggle switch to activate Nexus Insights as well. After enabling these features, you may need to specify your business locations. Enter your business addresses or locations where you have Nexus. Once you've added the necessary locations, save your changes. You can now set up your filing alerts according to your preferences. Choose how often you want to receive alerts regarding your filing responsibilities. Confirm your preferences by clicking the Save button. Your TaxJar account is now ready to provide you with filing alerts and Nexus insights. You can return to the dashboard to view these insights at any time. For further assistance, consult the TaxJar Help Center or support resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.